it feels amazing to be a 30-ish winner, and it's gotten me back to Cardiff, and I'm reliving my old memories. I went to law school here a few years ago, and it's just a great feeling to be awarded by the same university which tested me a lot and really built my rigor in my academic excellence. So I'm very happy to be back. Being back, seeing the alumni, it's so great to know that I was surrounded by such exceptional individuals. I'm the cog in the wheel. I'm surrounded by very hardworking and excellent people, and it's so nice to be able to connect with them as well. And I think this is a relationship that we'd fond for life. Being back in Cardiff is such a surreal feeling. I think the university campus has expanded far more. A lot of things have changed, but some things haven't changed at all. So I think there's beauty in that, and I'm absolutely stoked to be back. What my work entails is that I work with the Green Climate Fund, which is the world's largest climate finance fund created by the UNFCCC. And what I do is I'm a policy and evaluation officer, and I help conduct independent evaluations of the world's largest climate finance fund. So that involves me traveling to very exquisite places to collect data. So that's what my work entails. Being an international student in Cardiff I felt very secure. It's a very small town, but it's still big enough. And I was 17 when I came to Cardiff, so I think my sense of self sort of got developed here. I was here for almost 4 years, and it was always safe, and I was always with a mix of other international students. I made some friends for life who I'm still in touch with, and I still speak to one of my professors. So yes, Cardiff has a very special place in my heart.